Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial where I will show you exactly how to get free coins on Monkey app. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Monkey app. Once you are there, look for the option labeled free. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, click claim and the app will play an ad. Here's the thing, you will need to watch 3 ads in total to earn your coins. Once you have watched all 3, just tap the redeem button. Then select the 10 coins option and confirm by clicking redeem again. That's it. You will see your free coins added to your account. You can repeat this process after wait time to earn more coins and use them in the app. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides like this. See you in next video.